Hey guys, it's Tessa. I hope you're doing good today. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I dye this faded blonde hair to a beautiful sterling silver. Keep on watching to see how I dye it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is giving him a fresh buzz cut using my Remington color cut hair clippers, and I'm just going to give him a nice clean buzz all around the sides using no guard. So now all the shaving has been done with the hair clippers, we're just going to have a quick look to make sure we haven't missed any bits, making sure that the cut is just how we like it. So the hair dye I'm going to be using today is Arctic Fox Sterling Silver. This is a beautiful metallic silver shade, and I'm going to be using it straight from the bottle. I'm going to just pour this into my hair dyeing bowl. I find this silver has a beautiful metallic shine to it. This hair dye is semi-permanent, it's also vegan and cruelty-free, so if you guys are interested, I will put a discount code for you in the video description so you can get 15% off. So because this hair dye is conditioner based, you don't actually have to wear gloves, but if you're like me and you like to have clean, unstained hands, then wear gloves just to be safe, just in case you get any stains on your nails. So I'm just sectioning the hair bit by bit, making sure that the hair is fully saturated with the hair dye, making sure I don't miss any bits at all. It's better to use too much hair dye than too little. It almost reminds me of icing on a cake. You want to make sure you have a lot of nice icing.
So cover me, 'cause I'ma let you out, I'ma let you in. You're my enemy. If you would let me go, I will let you
So once the hair is completely saturated with the hair dye and you're happy with the application, making sure you haven't missed any bits, there's no patches or anything like that, I'm just going to put it on top of his head in a little bun, and there we go. We're going to wait 45 minutes, then we're going to rinse with cold water. Do not shampoo. Using the cold water also helps prevent the colour from fading. So 45 minutes, rinse with cold water, and style. So here we go guys, this is the result of the sterling silver hair dye. Here is a before and after side by side so you can compare the difference. Here is also the results under natural light. So in sunlight, this is what the sterling silver hair dye looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. It has a gorgeous metallic shine to it. So compared to what it used to be before, there is no longer any of those yellowy, orangey tones in that blonde. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye guys. Mwah.